Hi guys, it is the start of week 6, so I'm going to take a minute and go over some of your assignments for this week and any things that I've kind of noticed as we've gone through the past few weeks. So remember, you go to the hub page first, and if we look under week 6 assignments, you will see you have two parts. You have 3 Edpuzzle videos, and then you have 1 video assignment. So we are learning about the formulas for sector area and arc length, and you could either click on each video, or you could click on each video, or you could just log into your Edpuzzle account and watch the videos that way, because they should be under, I believe, if you have like classes or assignments, you should be able to see all of the work for that. The videos aren't too long. It's about 20 minutes of videos to help you kind of understand where these formulas are coming from and respond to some questions. Remember, like always on the Edpuzzle videos, I'm not expecting you to get 100, but I am expecting that you are putting serious answers and trying your best to understand each question. And you can always ask me questions if you get to a point that you're not sure, or if you answered something and realized it was incorrect but aren't really sure why it's incorrect. You can always ask for help, and I'm happy to help you with that. Beyond the Edpuzzle, you have another video assignment. For this one, you're going to open up the assignment in the hub. Remember, you can open up that document, and this document will show you all of the problems that you need to solve, as well as the video that you need to create. So on this one, you are actually going to do the work either on a separate sheet of paper or on OneNote or something, and then you are going to take a picture or a cam scan or take a screenshot of your work, because I am asking you to calculate 4 things for each of these parts. So area and the length of the crust, so that's going to be, your area is going to be your sector area, and the length of the crust is going to be the arc length. And then you are going to get to calculate the weight and the cost of one slice, and then you're going to have to do that one more time. So in total, you're going to have 5 sets of calculations. And what you are actually submitting to the hub is going to be a picture of those calculations. Remember, make sure that it's clear when you take the picture. One recommendation is don't put the piece of paper on like a black background or a really dark background, because when you do that, it sometimes makes the paper come out overexposed and I can't see what you wrote on the paper. But if you put it on a light background, it's going to focus in on what you wrote down. So you're going to turn in the calculations to the hub, and then you are going to create a video. So your video is going to be in Flipgrid, so you can go to the Flipgrid and you record it right there. You can use your computer or your phone to help you do that. When you log into the Flipgrid, you are using your student ID number. Okay, so you're using your student ID to log in. You can also use this QR code if you are doing it from your phone. And I want to clarify something with this. There are a lot of conditions here, and I am not expecting that you will be able to meet every single one. But I want you to kind of be creative and think about how could you meet some of the different conditions. And then you're going to explain why you chose that method. So everyone's going to have a different solution. Some people might go simple, some people might go complicated. There are not, as long as you are mathematically justifying your answers and it makes sense given the conditions you're addressing, there's not necessarily right and wrong ways to do it. So be creative and take it as a time to kind of have a little bit of fun and see why the math matters here. But I don't want you to think that there's only one perfect answer and you have to find that one. And that is your assignments for this week. Remember that you can still turn in your late work. So if you have assignments that are missing or parts of assignments, say you did the Edpuzzles but not a CFU, make sure that you go back and do those, and you can check in GradeSpeed or in the hub to see if you have assignments that are still there that you have not used. I have office hours this week on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. You do have one Khan Academy assignment that is due Friday, May 8th. So at this point, you should have done 2 assignments. You have 1 more due this week, and there will be then a 4th assignment that I'm going to assign at the beginning of next week. So make sure you're staying on top of those assignments for your PBL skills. Otherwise, good luck and have a great week.